everybody, welcome back. So today this is super exciting because we are heading out to pick up our 2 lambs, and we'll be having these lambs for about 7-8 months. About 7-8 months. So we raise these lambs once they get weaned off from their moms.
Look at all the strawberries.
Oh yeah, so this is an old strawberry field. Oh, you can't see, it's too, we're gonna have to stop by there on the way back, and then I'll show it to you if it's not too dark. So we're heading out to go pick up these lambs, and we'll raise these lambs. So they've just been weaned off their mom, and we'll raise them for consumption and harvest the meat in about 7 to 8 months. And yes, the process of raising it is super fun to have. They're super fun to have baby lambs, to have any kind of animal on the farm. It's a huge responsibility because you do have to feed them every single day. Therefore, you cannot really sleep in. They kind of rely on you. But then the sad part is the day when harvesting day comes. And John's not as sad about it as I am.
Yes, I am. I don't like doing it.
But he looks super excited when he orders the meat from the butcher.
Oh, when I go to pick it up? Yeah, it's the spoils of the reward.
It's very satisfying. The meat is, oh my God, phenomenal. If you have not had farm raised meat, oh my goodness, especially right from the farm, this lamb meat is the best. It doesn't taste like mutton. Mutton is a lamb after it's been a year old. So once a lamb turns a year old, it's considered a sheep. It's no longer considered a lamb. And then when people harvest that meat, it is called mutton, and it has a very robust odor to it. So a lot of people that have eaten mutton usually don't like it. And when you ask them, would you like to eat some lamb, they kind of refer to that, and it throws them all off. So that'll definitely deter a lot of people because that smell is really pungent. Okay, so when we get to the baby lambs, I will let you know. So we're here picking up our lambs, and let me show you what they look like. So there's one of them right there. That's the mama, and the baby's behind her. And then the other one we already caught and put inside the trailer. And then there's some baby ducks in the back. So cute. I'll show you in a minute. But all right, here we go. Let me set up the camera. Oh shoot, okay. All right, so we were trying to let out the mom so we can catch the baby, but that did not work. So now we have to go and catch them, and they're out there. Oh my goodness, and they're far. Okay, and I know there's fencing around here, but okay, so here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, so there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, John's over there closing that gate. So there they are right there. so close. We almost had them. Oh my God. Right here. We're just trying to get them into this little garden. Right here. Oh my goodness. All right. So they're all the way down yonder. We're gonna try to scoot them over this way.
That fire must not be very high. Although the wool. Need your help.
Here we go. Okay.
You want to do 3?
Do I want to do 3? Of course. That's a silly question to ask me. I love lamb. But I don't know. 2 is good enough right now. We're gonna go for lamb number 3. Let's see how this goes. This might go a little bit better than the other 2. The first one was really easy. Let's see. Okay, we got them all 3 inside the trailer. I can't wait to look at this footage. All right, thank you so much for the lambs. They're so beautiful.
And I'll send you the info on the 3rd because I didn't write that down.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Let's talk about we're getting a workout. Are you excited about these lambs, Say?
Yes, they look extremely delicious.
Oh my God, and they are so freaking cute.
I
don't
right
know
now.
if I'm gonna keep their names. I don't know. We're gonna have to
What are
see
their
about
names?
that. One of them is named Ramsey,
Ramsey.
and the other one is Deuce, because that one was a twin. And then I don't know what the other one is named, but the little fluffy face. I think I want to call that one Fluffy because the face is so freaking cute. Now it does have a little pocket on the side where the when the vet came out and gave him the antibiotics, it didn't go into the meat. It did not taint the meat, but you do have to kind of rub it around. Sometimes a warm compress does work. So it's been like that for about a week or so. Now our last lambs were like that as well. They had it kind of right underneath their in the same spot. It was a little bit swollen, and the meat is fine. The meat is not tainted, but you do have to be careful. There are some times where it does get into the meat and it does ruin the meat. So you do have to be aware of that. But you can always get a vet to come out and take a look and make sure that your lambs are up to par. And normally we do that, but these ones, she has all the records, so we're good with that. Right? Yes. All right, so we're just going to relax, and then we'll show you the lambs when we get home. So we decided to make a little pit stop at this little diner in the kind of middle of nowhere. So that fire department right behind the truck over here. So we're just gonna run inside real fast, get a milkshake and maybe a burger, and then head home and take a look at these lambs. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. Okay, so out here is an abandoned strawberry patch. And so John came out here the other day and picked up a bunch of strawberries. So I decided to stop on the way home real fast and pick up some strawberries so that we can have some. And look how beautiful they look. Do you see that? How can we let those go to waste? Yeah, so this is just on the side of the road, abandoned. So let's just go and pick a few strawberries and see how many we can pick before the sun goes down. Okay, that's all we can get right now. We gotta go.
What's happening?
So we're home now, and the lambs are there. We brought them in. We didn't record it because it was just so much work with the dogs, introducing the lamb to the dogs, and it is getting late because we picked a bunch of strawberries. Ooh, show them the strawberries. How many strawberries? We picked so many strawberries. They're like strawberry thieves. Look at all those strawberries. Almost half a grocery bag. So tomorrow I'm going to come out here and play with them and buy them some grain. We have some oat alfalfa cubes that I put in there for them. But they're probably not going to eat because they're too scared right now. But yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and then I'll give you updates on the lamb as they grow, because they are so stinking cute. I just can't wait for them to like me. That's the hardest part, is getting them to like you, and then off to the butcher. All right, so take care, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.